Hey, classy people, Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life, and we are going to do a Walmart Ibotta haul today. Yes. Let's jump into these rebates. Now, the first rebate I decided to do, you know I got to come with the food, okay? The first rebate I decided to do was the Eggos, Kellogg's Eggos, thick and fluffy, original, made with Madagascar vanilla, okay, waffles. These were priced $3.62 at my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.62. Great deal. The second rebate I decided to do was the the Bic Flex 5 sensitive razors. There's 2 in a pack. I found them in the clearance section for $3.50. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 50 cents. Great deal. The next Ibotta rebate I decided to do was the Dial foaming hand soap. Now, this is the fresh lavender. I like to get foaming hand soap for my grandbabies. It's easier for them to pump it and dispense it, okay? So this was priced $2.47 at my Walmart. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate attaching to this product. And when I scanned my receipt on Fetch, there was 25 cents coming back to me. Well, actually 250 points, which is the equivalent of 25 cents, making the final cost $1.72 for the Dow foaming hand soap. I thought that was a good deal. Okay. Next rebate I decided to do was the Shea Moisture. Okay. Now, this Shea Moisture is the Shea Moisture. I got to put my glasses on. Okay. Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner with fig extract and babu oil. I think that says babu oil. All right, now this was in the hair section, the hair product section of the grocery store for $2.50. Had a clearance tag, okay? The rebate through Ibotta is $2.50. So this ended up being free. There was still shampoos and still conditioners in my neighborhood Walmart. So that was great. This was absolutely free for me. So I was super excited about that. The next rebate I decided to do, the next Ibotta rebate is the Tasty Cakes. The Tasty Cakes iced honey buns. Now these are for my husband, okay? For his lunch. These were priced $2.28 at my Walmart. There is a 35 cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.93. That's a great deal. The next Ibotta rebate I decided to do was the Soft Scrub. Soft Scrub is with bleach. I like to use this on my glass cooktop. This was priced $3.27 at my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.27. I think that's a good deal. You know, Crystal's not going to turn down no cleaning products, okay? The next Ibotta rebate I decided to do was on the Glade Room Spray Air Freshener Odor Fighting Soft Mist Hawaiian Breeze, okay? Let's see if it smells like a Hawaiian breeze. It doesn't smell as good as my other one, but it does smell pretty good. I think my other one I got smelled really good. I put it in my cleaning cabinet already. Okay, so this one was priced $2.28 in my Walmart. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 78 cents. I don't think that's too bad. That's a good rebate. That's a good rebate right there. The next Ibotta rebate I decided to do was the McCormick. Oh, okay, of course. Y'all know I'm going to keep doing this rebate. Okay, and I told you I like it. And I made 2 packs of it tonight. I told you mix it with 8 ounces of milk, and it's tasty. It's a sauce. This is the lemon herb butter simmer and serve sauce. It cooks in 5 minutes. That's no lie. $1.46 in my Walmart. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.21 for the McCormick other flavors. So I encourage you to try it. If you have, let us know in the comments below. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Success Rice, okay? This is the 4 bags, boil and bag. This is some food. You can stock up. Here you go. $2.38 in my Walmart. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the rice $1.88. That's a good deal. So food, y'all want some food rebates? Y'all tap in. I'm giving them to you. Next, I bought a rebate. I decided to do the Land O'Lakes butter. These little tubs, I told you they've got them in different flavors. Every flavor does not attach to that I bought a rebate. You make sure that you scan in store to make sure that you're getting the right ones that are attaching to the rebate. But this one and the herb is the ones I've been getting back and forth, okay? But this is the butter with canola oil. This is priced $2.48 in my Walmart. There is a 65-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.83. Throwing it right in the freezer, and I hope it resets again. Okay, so I'm going to be back tomorrow and complete this video. I know I told you all at the beginning that I messed up and didn't complete my weekend cash dash, so I need to go get some more rebates. But I think what I'm gonna do 5 more rebates, add it to this, show y'all tomorrow, and I'll be back. Classy people, I'm back. Let's do the 5 additional rebates that I need to do in order to get my bonuses. The first I bought a rebate I decided to do was for the eggs. Super excited about this. You have to be on the lookout every Friday for this Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back on eggs. They're helping us get some eggs, y'all. This is a 6-pack of the large white eggs. It's priced $3.14 in my Walmart. I got my $2.50 rebate back from Ibotta, making the final cost be 64 cents for the eggs. I think that is great. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Coca-Cola 2-liter bottle, priced in my Walmart $2.74. There is a 45 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.29. You know what was so funny to me? When I was in the car talking to my sister, I read the rebate and it said Coca-Cola original taste. I was like, original taste? I've never noticed it saying that. I'm like, well, what other taste is there? I don't know what they was talking about. I was just like, I never noticed that before. But at any rate, okay, Coca-Cola, I'm a Pepsi girl myself, but I will drink Coke. So I didn't think that was a bad rebate to do. All right. So the next 3 rebates, guys, I actually did it at Publix, okay? I know this is a Walmart haul, but I had to go check out my Publix, okay? Walmart really didn't have anything else that I wanted because my rebates have not reset, and I thought I may get busy this weekend, so I didn't want to chance it and not get my bonuses. So I decided sometimes you got to go to other stores to get items that you're not seeing in Walmart. Okay? So don't forget about that. The next rebate I decided to do, I bought a rebate, was on the Drake's coffee cakes. I was looking for these in Walmart, didn't find them. So I decided to get them at Publix. They were priced $3.99 in my Publix. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.24 for the Drake's coffee cakes. Now they look quite tasty to me. It says freshness guaranteed, okay? 8 cakes with cinnamon. It's late, y'all. It's after work. 8 cakes with cinnamon streusel topping. The Richard is gonna like that, okay? Richard's gonna like that, y'all. All right, so the next rebate I decided to do, the Ibotta rebate I decided to get, was on the Pop Secret popcorn. Okay, my husband and I, we like to watch movies from time to time, and I thought, let's get some snacks, honey. We big on snacks around these parts. The Pop Secret extra butter, the particular rebate is for the 6 bags. You have to get the 6 bags. So the Pop Secret was actually a BOGO at my Publix. $6.99. The $3.50 came off, making it be $3.49. Now, at my Publix BOGOs, you don't have to get both items. It would just be half price, and that's what they do at my Publix. I also have a video that I did some time ago teaching you how to coupon at Publix, explaining their coupon policy, which I love couponing at Publix. All right, so this was $3.49. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.49 for the Pop Secret popcorn. Y'all know when it gets late, I get silly. The next Ibotta rebate I got was the Flips white fudge covered pretzels. Now, these were actually on BOGO at Publix, so that was great. These were priced $4.59. The BOGO, $2.30 comes off, making it be $2.29. There's a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.54 for the Flips. Now, I'm good with that. That's a good price right there. All right, so let's get into the final cost of everything. $41.89 for the 15 rebates, okay? Now, what did I get back in rebates? From Walmart, I got back a total of $14.20, $11.25 from the first trip, and $2.95 from the trip from today. And then for Publix, I got $2.50. I hit both of my bonuses, which was the weekend cash dash. I had to do 12 rebates for $5, and the pizza perk bonus, which was 23 rebates over $5. Now, I know you all are like, girl, 23 rebates for $5. That doesn't seem like much, but of course, I do it in, I do it in spells. I do a few, then I redeem. I do a few, redeem. That's how you do it. Okay. All right. Making the final cost $15.19. Okay. It went from $41.89 to $15.19. Okay. That's a deal. That's a darn near free. Okay. Y'all remember that, right? For coupon Crystal. All right, so that makes it be, a good $1.01 per item. That's not too bad considering we got some eggs. We got food, okay? And we got some cleaning stuff, okay? So that is just great to me. Well, yeah, we did. We got air spray. We got soft scrub. We got some good rebates, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let us know in the comments below the video, okay? If you're enjoying Ibotta, let us know. If you have any questions about Ibotta, let us know. The crew is here to help you with your saving journey, okay? Don't ever let someone make you think that it's a waste of time to save a little, because what is it, the old saying, a penny saved is a penny earned? Isn't that what they say? Oh, the old people say, okay, penny saved is a penny earned. I do believe that, okay, in the sense of, it is very expensive out here, okay? And it's very expensive and too expensive to not save in the places in which you can save, because I'm a firm believer of, if you cannot increase your income, then you need to decrease your out. What you have going out of your household in the sense of what you're paying in bills, anywhere that you can cut the fat, that's what you need to do in this day and age that we're living in, okay? I'm blessed and fortunate enough that I'm employed and my husband is employed, but, God forbid, if we weren't, I believe that, my God, he will provide. But I need to make sure that I'm being a good steward over what he does bless me with. And that's what I would encourage you to also do. I'm trying not to be wasteful. I've never been a wasteful person. I don't like wasting. But I do feel the need to really just up my saving right now. And also, I enjoy not spending my money on stuff. I love the surge of getting stuff for darn near free. Okay, I like that. Why would I not like that? Okay. Couponing has spoiled me so that I just don't want to pay for certain things, okay? There was a toothpaste rebate, and I was like, child, I really don't want to pay for toothpaste, okay? I can do a deal at CVS and get toothpaste. I have plenty of videos talking about that, okay? So I love you all. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I hope it was helpful for you. I will see you all in the next one. Love you. Bye.